With all of the cleaning, staging, and packing to prepare your home for sale, as Cecil DeMille asked Greta Garbo, are you ready for your close-up? Welcome to Table Talks. I'm Carla Knight with Coldwell Banker Realty in Denver West. Table Talks is where I answer your questions about real estate with market tips or ideas surrounding the subject. If you have any questions, reach out on Facebook and Instagram at Selling Dwelling CO or LinkedIn, my website, Carla Knight Homes. I will respond directly to you and answer your questions and possibly make a video to expand. Everyone knows the first introduction to your home is the high-resolution photos, videos, and slideshows that are posted online. Knowing that the camera's perspective is different than the human's eye, furniture arrangement and clutter can be magnified or feel uncomfortable to the buyer as the introduction if it is not well placed. Set your furniture to show space in the rooms. Paring down larger items makes your spaces feel more open. If you are not taking it, dispose of it before your pictures. Spotlight the flow of your room. Create a focal point on a wall farthest from the door and arrange the pieces in a triangle shape. So let's say you have a favorite wall hanging, placed it on the farthest wall from the entryway with furniture as best as the room will allow in a triangle around it. A bed, a china cabinet, or a dining room table set for dinner can all be a focal point in any room. Keep your table decorations to 3 items varying in height. So let's say a tall vase with a pillow in front of it with the magazines in the forefront. This way the spaces can create in the buyer a feeling of how living in the home would work for them or decorating their home with their pieces would work for them. Accessorize each room with some greenery. Camera loves greenery as in plants. A little in each room can make it feel more upbeat and alive. If you don't have a green thumb like myself, some imitate pots with imitation plants can do the trick. Energize a room that's looking bland by adding small, brightly colored items. Throw a throw over a couch that is colorful, or pieces on the table in a vase can make a big difference and pop in front of the camera. Before your photographer shows up, open all the window coverings in your home and flip on every light you can. Lighting can make a difference and make the room look more inviting and warm in the photos. As your agent, you will have my expertise in making the spaces ready for their close-ups. In my client's assurity statement, I guarantee to help you walk through your home and use what you have with possible supplementing with staging items to make your home ready for its close-up. So if you have questions about the market, or if you know anyone who does, reach out and let me answer them for you. Have a great day.